Diesel emission systems can be very high maintenance items, and removing stuck sensors is one of those problems, especially if they're stuck and rusted. KC Tool by Milton Industries has developed a kit, the KCT996D, to help with that problem. The kit is made up of the Shockit Socket design sockets, a tested and proven technology where a dimple in an ear is affixed, and that lines up with a punch. This is a non-turning punch. You can set it at the exact angle you need, and it won't twist on you as you're removing. This also has a very short and a very long punch available. Today's demo is with a Jeep Dodge EcoDiesel that is not very rusted or stuck, but this will show you how it works. This sensor is a very unusual one in that it's held in by a lock nut. This particulate sensor is a more normal design without a lock nut. It looks like they've designed a very well-engineered kit that should save mechanics a lot of time and frustration. The KCT1910P is the 11-inch one that comes standard with the kit. The KCT1910PS is the short 5.5-inch one. And the 22-inch is the KCT1910PL. These can be purchased individually or in the complete set.